Well, 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 if it isn't the Junkter ceiling fan. Back again 2 years later with this supposedly brand new ceiling fan. Well, guess what? This quote unquote brand new ceiling fan just died pretty much 2 years later after installation. That's right. This fan is pretty much dying right now. I mean, like the motor has an issue. Like earlier, I heard zapping in the motor. Like you can just hear it zapping. Like the motor's trying to stay on, but it can't because it doesn't. It has a loose connection somewhere. And now, guess what it's doing now? Now you can't even. Now the fan is running on reverse, and you can't even reverse it to blow down air. Look, watch. Look at this. I'm gonna flip the switch. Look, it's rotating that way, right? Now notice the rotation. Now look at the reverse switch. Look at that. It's rotating this way when the reverse switch is set to this way. How retarded is that? A Junkter ceiling fan failed. Wow. Look, look. I'm gonna show you one more time. I'm gonna flip the switch again. Okay, it's going this direction, okay? You see it going this direction, and look at the reverse switch. That's not the direction it's supposed to be spinning. So, there you go. There's a Junkter ceiling fan for you. Now, just to show you that this is happening, look, I'm gonna set this other way, look, like that, right? Now it's set to the direction it's supposed to be spinning right now. Now look, I'm gonna turn it back on. Look at that. It's still rotating that way. And it's supposed to be on high speed, and it's not going high speed. Look at that. I'm afraid to run this too long. Who knows? This fan might burst to flames. I don't know. It's acting weird. It's supposed to be on high speed. And just to prove it to you, let me turn it back on. Alright, that's high. That's medium. That's low. Look at that. I'm going to show you one more time. This is off. I'm going to show you. This is off. See? Now, high. Look at that. Hear that humming? Hardly hear it. Alright, now, medium. Look at that. Unbelievable. A Hunter ceiling fan failed after 2 years. Well, this is the China Pride fan now. Junkter China Pride. Now low. I'm gonna stop it just to show you it's still trying to spin. Look. Wow. Unbelievable failure. I wonder if the capacitor died, but I heard zapping in the motor, so I don't know how it's still running. I thought, I heard zapping. I don't know if the capacitor went bad or what. I mean, you tell me in the description what you guys think below. But I had to show this to you because this is ridiculous. Unbelievable. I'm going to shut it off. And now just see, it's off now. It's not wanting to turn. Look, see? Now I'm going to reverse the switch again. I'm going to reverse the switch again. Now it's supposed to go the other way. Watch. Okay. Now the switch is right there. Let's go on high speed. Listen carefully. Oh. You hear that? Now it wants to work. Wow. I hope you heard that. That was some zapping right there. Ridiculous fan. Can't believe this Hunter fan. They went downhill now. So I just wanted to show you guys that this fan failed. It just acted finicky now. Now it wants to work like normal. Medium, low, off. Now it wants to work right all of a sudden. Try to just reverse the switch a few times. Alright, let's just do it again. Yeah, there you go. 2 years later, Hunter fan fails. Alright, yeah, I had to stop it like that. But let's do that again on reverse. Oh, now look, it wants to work now. Look at that. Yeah, this fan's gone. It's getting replaced with an older ceiling fan. That's right, an older ceiling fan. Out with the new and in with the old. Because it's just much better than this crap. Unbelievable. And the high speed's not even high. It's like medium. So the 3 speeds you get with a Hunter fan now is medium, low, and just super low, and like slow low, like Casablanca low. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you this video. Comment below what you think. This is China Pride to the max. And this is ridiculous. Can't believe this. Peace, guys.